can use your color pencils to create the gradation and also to do different shapes to make them look like they're realistic. And so the colors that I used for this are red, yellow, and orange. So orange is the local color, red is the darker tone, and yellow being the lighter tone. And then I also added white, and the white is the burnisher. Then I also have a little bit of black where I have the shadows, and I added the color back in, just like it was reflection. All right, so I wanted to show you just how to do the burnishing and how to use the color pencil real quick. And I'm going to do these same colors, so red, orange, and yellow. And I'm going to do the cylinder. And so we know that the brightest part of the cylinder is going to be right here, so that's going to be my yellow. And then the orange is kind of going to be on both sides, and then the red. So I'll start just adding a little bit of the yellow here. And then I'll go into adding some orange. And I can overlap it just a bit. And then I'll start adding the red. And so you just have to keep working this over and over, and you can overlap the colors. Add a little red to that side. Come back in with my orange, and I'm going to start pressing harder now. Kind of get the edges. And because these are so waxy, as you start to press harder, it starts to kind of make it look like more of a solid color. And then when you're going to burnish, burnishing is using the white. And so it's kind of interesting what happens when you start to spread the white on here. It starts to blend it so that it starts to look like almost paint or marker, but it smooths out all of those little white things that show the paper that shows through when you have color pencil. And so the white just kind of smooths everything out. That's kind of the idea of burnishing, all right? And so you can start to see that it really is looking very much like it has depth to it, like it's round. And then we need a little bit of orange at the top here. A little bit of yellow. Yellow can kind of burnish a little bit too. And then I can come back in with the white, kind of smooth that out. I'd kind of come back in with the black to add the shadow. And you can burnish the black as well, which is interesting. And I might just add a little bit of color as if it's reflecting. A little red. Really makes it look dark. And then I'm going to come back in with the white and kind of burnish that. And I might keep working this, after we're done, just so that I can get it a little bit more worked on. But this is just basically how you would do everything with color pencil. Okay? Have a great week. Thanks.